Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessings, guys. Blessed love. Hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching from. Well, as you can see, the barrel them is shipped off, and once the barrel them is shipped off, it's that time, so it's going to be time for me to head in home, because it goes already, the journey after continues, but as what I mentioned before, with when the Empress gonna do some workout, she's gonna take me through that session, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna see, if I can keep up because it's been a while I haven't been through some good workout sessions. So let's see what she's gonna have to offer. I'm gonna step up to the plate. It goes already. But guys, please, if you see I cannot go as further as she, pray for me. Give me a chance. But nothing is wrong though. So I'm gonna be put through this test to see how fit I am. Which is, I know I'm hand fit because it's been a while. No football, no session, nothing at all. So I'm gonna be aching before I head onto that plane. So at least I can get a good 3.5 hours sleep while I'm on the plane heading home. So we're gonna work through that session, guys. Definitely gonna work through that session. So yes, guys, so I'm gonna say we thank each and everyone for the support. Thanks for the love and the support from each and everyone, on this journey. It was a wonderful experience. Each experience is like our experience to remember, because it's nothing but love and love alone, and everyone that come together, to pack the barrels, we thank them so much. We just want to thank our love, we thank Raja so much, our love, for putting all the effort, for even hosting me, bringing me around, helping, giving me the support, and also giving back as well to, to the dream team. Our love always a man that always gives back, because when I say love, I love in the heart, always. Yeah, we have to also give a huge thanks to his wife, Nikki, Touch of Beauty, also as well too, for the kind heart and the support, that I've been receiving from them, because trust me, from I get here, it's nothing but love and love alone, guys, and I have to also give a huge shout out to Nurse Jackie, as well too, that donated stuff, as well too. I also have Sandra, we cannot forget Sandra, and I'm telling you, don't forget about Corey's, the Corey's family, big up my little friend Corey, how you doing? Big up to his wife as well too, was it Allison? Or you rather say Reese? She said Allison, Reese. Come on, correct me if I'm wrong. But big up yourself, the general himself, man like Corey's, the restaurant down in South Bronx. And big up to their little princess, the angel, the future to take over the business, Corey. So it's a blessing, it's nothing but love, I thank them so much for supporting, because they donated a lot of stuff also. And also we have to thank Angela as well too. Angela that donated as well too, to help out with the barrel, donated stuff, and say Wayne, big up yourself, Wayne as well too. Wayne, the one that sent out the wheelchair and give support as well to, and the journey to help out the family back home, cranberries them. So guys, I just want to thank you so much, for the blessings, and You don't know if you give a huge thanks to the nurses in Sunrise, you know, also country as well, to big up yourself, country also donated. You know, there's so much people that gives back, you know, like the love is unreal. You know, the love is unreal. So you know the thing goes already. So you know we're gonna get the support from the Kiwanis back home, you know, to help with clearing the barrels, you know, so I don't go under too many pressure. And that we have to thank the Sunrise team for, you know, for give us that connection so we can make it work. You know, so you know it's blessings all over, guys. It's blessings all over, and it's only blessings and love alone. You know, nothing conquer love. Here, so you know, today I'm gonna go through that session with Empress. We're gonna be working out. So let's see how far we can work out. Muscle are good already, and I haven't started workout yet. Yes, guys, I'll big up in yourself, each and every one. Thank you all for the love and the support. So I'm just waiting on the Empress to call me and say she's outside. When she's outside, I'll be out of here, heading to the gym, you know, heading on the journey. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, remember, please, to check out Empress Niche, you know, on our YouTube channel. You know, support her, you know. Give her the support, encourage her, you know, to take on her journey, you know, because she really done a lot, you know, by like being there for me, like supporting her. I consider myself blessed, you know, at times when you see the love and the support that you get. And it's all because of the good that I'm doing, you know. So maybe if I wasn't doing good, I would think I would get this support, right? Right, so that's why good is good, bad is bad. So it's your choice. I choose good, so I get good with it. So big up yourself, Empress Niche, you know, capiche? So check her out, guys. Continue to encourage her, and trust me, whenever she come to Jamaica, she got my full support because she's been there for me. I don't know, we cannot turn our back on people that do good, so I have to be there for her, you know, support her. Trust me, she's a plus while I'm here. So blessed love to her. Blessed love. Peace out. Alright, guys, well. Yes, guys, so I'm here now. You know, the Empress just pulled up. You know, the thing goes. So from I tell you, today's going to be that intense one, you know. It's not intense like you jump in the zinc fence, but it's got workout session, you know. So I'm here with the one and only Empress Niche, you know. Empress Niche in the building. So Empress, want to say congratulations on her 1,000 subscribers.
Woo! Thank you guys so much. Oh my god, me feel so loved. Boy, me I tell you, Kino, you have some sweet subscribers.
I'm telling you, they're so sweet.
Saying that the comment, man, let me lost for words. Me nah lie.
I tell you, they're so sweet. That's why I have to love them so much. They're the one that fuel my engine to continue on my journey because of the way them always pour out them love and them support. Exactly, and they encourage them, always encourage me. It's nothing but love, my lovely subscribers. We thank you so much for going over to her channel and giving her the support that she really wants, you know. So it's that drive that she need next, you know, not like driving the car, but she's driving, you know, that drive, that WD-40 drive, but she's doing good, you know. I told her she done well, you know, for her first video, you know, but she's a natural. That's what Christmas let's say, you know. You're a natural, you know. People can tell, you know. It's your journey. Probably they're meant to do this, you know. But you probably need Kino to come all the way here, you know, and for that to happen. So that's how the Almighty works sometimes, you know, and put things in place, you know, where you least expect it. And then when you look now, Empress Niche is a YouTuber. Oh Lord.
Jesus.
Oh Lord. You know. You never thought of that, right?
No, sir. I don't know how I'm going to handle that, but
yeah, she still feel like
take it one day at a time.
Yeah, just one day at a time, you know, still one day at a time. You know, do content that you're comfortable in, you know, anything that you feel comfortable doing, trust me, you will get the support, you know, because our viewers, them, our subscribers, they're so lovely. You know, they will watch it.
Me say the comments, them, man.
And they will try to encourage you in what to do, you know. And I know they definitely going to want you to talk about your locks. That's for sure.
I got a question. I got a few questions
Of
about
course.
that.
So you have to do a video about that. You talking about your locks, you know, what makes you grow your locks, how long it take you, what you use, the products you use, you know, to keep your hair as how it's supposed to, you know.
Right.
Everything what you use on your skin and your face, you know, anything toothpaste you use.
Yeah, man, definitely.
You know, the remedy for continue doing the gym workout, you know, all of this stuff, you know, we're gonna need it to do, you know. Just engage, you know, because remember, YouTube is about you, you know, people knowing you, you know, through you, you know, so you find it easy, you know, after a while. You're gonna think, say, yo, am I recording or am I not? It seems so natural to you. You don't have to worry about video
like
recording
somebody
anymore.
said in the comment, you're not gonna even remember that the camera is around.
Exactly, you know,
like,
you're not gonna remember. Cause I remember even when I just started do YouTube, when I was doing Jamaica Good Life, I think I should do about at least 15 videos before I literally like show myself, you know.
Oh really?
I probably put a glimpse and people say, Kino, show yourself,
Yeah.
you know. And then I think it's like Randy Pottinger, he's the one that probably does video me now and then. Because I never really want to be into the video like that, you know. I found the people that are more interested that's in the video, and it wasn't about me. And then realized then Oliver and Carla, you know, Oliver, he's the one that encouraged me and told me, like, you know, you need to put yourself in the video, you know, so people can know who they're speaking to, you know, at least, you know, people can understand you more. Because people can feel the energy, you know, by watching you sometime, you know, eye contact and everything. They can tell when someone is speak and you look into them eyes, you know, you can know them at their lies, are they genuine or not. So it's always good, you know, so you're gonna get used to that, and trust me, she's a natural, you know, she's gonna be the natural. So guys, today we're gonna do some workout, you know, some work out. You know, she's gonna start doing our videos. Then we're waiting on our SIM card, our SD card,
yeah,
you know, to reach.
It's coming tomorrow, so yeah.
So you know, by the time you see this video, it's already reached. You know, she's gonna be shooting her content. You know, I'm saying, guys, encourage her, tell her what type of content you guys would like. You know, if you should do something, say you can do that more. You know, something to encourage her. You know, because she's gonna need that. She need that drive. But I know you, my subscriber, that you will definitely do that, because that's what you do on my journey. You know, and trust me, I love you guys so much. It's nothing but love and love alone.
People them, you know, what I tell you, but I'm not even surprised, because once them follow you, me know say are really clean, good hearted.
Of course.
Boy,
yeah.
400 comments of just, you know, nice messages, encouraging, like, boy, me I tell you.
Yeah, of course. My subscribers, them are genuine, you know, because, you know, that's why they love my intro.
Right.
Put a fire upon a hater, you know.
Right.
When they hear the intro, say, yo, burn a fire upon a hater, you know. The haters, them will come, but they will run quick because there's too much fire blazing.
They can't handle it.
They can't handle the fire.
Right.
So they will come, you know. They come, but when them come and they feel that fire, them gone.
Yes,
once them hear the intro, we don't know what they pre about, you know. Put a fire upon a eater, they will burn them out like newspaper. Jesus, them run fast as them come. Yes, I love my subscribers. Genuine one them, they will always be there because them love that intro. Who don't love that intro, trust me. Hater, you know, so we can burn them out like newspaper.
Right.
Put a fire upon a hater. Yes, guys, you don't know the thing, guys, nothing but love and love alone. I keep my program as positive as possible. No, it's drama free, you know, stress free. No drama around here, none at all, guys. So guys, so Empress Niche, she's got her own workout gym. You know, so we're not booking no gym appointment. We're going at the Empress gym. You know, so you're gonna see Empress own facility. Damn. You know, workout session, guys. I'm gonna be feeling aching on the plane, but you know it goes already. You know, nothing wrong with that. You know, at least you can sleep for about 3.5 hours after that workout, right, Empress?
Of course.
Of course, but please, better show off, mommy, yeah? Don't show off. Don't show off.
Just make sure you can.
I'm not gonna try to keep up. I'm gonna do what I can do. Because if I try to keep up, trust me, it's not gonna be good. You know, because I'm unfit. You know, I'm saying that I'm fit, But the endurance, I don't ever got it that much, you know.
Well, you know, you have to continue when you go to Jamaica.
Yeah, you know, go back home, back in the football, you know.
Yeah.
Now and then do some workout, guys. So yes, man. Because exercise is good for the body.
Wake up, just do some push-ups. Just make it a habit, you know.
Yes, guys. And if you check out Empress Niche on her IG when you see she workout, she's pushing some big iron. I'm like, yo, on them legs there. Listen, when you do legs workout, I remember I done legs workout. And I was walking, literally going up the step, and it feel like each time I step, it's like I'm falling down. Even when I'm walking down the steps, like I'm falling down the step. That's how the legs was proper dead.
Well, that's what happened, Kino. When you're not work out in a while, you will get sore fast.
That's why I don't want to be that sore Empress. Because I have to go pull the suitcase, I have to go walk, go check in.
Sure.
You see me? So you have to go take your time, please.
You have a try.
Well, you don't have to try. Me know what to do. I'm not going all out. Just me, but I kill up myself, you know. Like me go say, I can't believe say she's a female and she had more than me. And I can't keep up. You know, when your mind start to play with you, and I say, go on, Kina, you can do it. Because if she's doing it, you can do it. But nah, I'm not going to do that. If she's doing it and me cannot do it, I'll leave her to do it. Next time I'll catch you up. You know? And go back to Jamaica and get fit to link up back Ibo Spice and get the natural food them and ready for the road. Right? So guys, so the next thing we're going to encourage her to do now, because remember, you know, she got the 1,000 subscribers, so now she's going to need her watch time. She's going to need 4,000 watch minutes. You know, so you have to make videos, or, you know, like obviously they're going to tell you, say, Empress, make long video like 20 minutes, half an hour, you know. Some videos of that to build up your watch time. You know, at least 20 minutes the most, you know, if you can make it 20 to 30, you know, to get your watch time, you know, then it can be up in the game. When you reach that 4,000 watch time, you become monetized, you know. You can, you know, you'll show a bit of Empress lifestyle. If you want to get up and say, guys, I'm brushing my teeth. Guys, this is how I eat. You know, I eat healthy, so I have this for breakfast, this for lunch. You know, and she don't use flour. She use oats to make her dumpling. So you can even show them
100% oats, man. I mix it with nothing else.
Yes.
Sometimes I might put like flaxseed or something else in there. No white anything, no white flour.
Yeah, guys, should really eat healthy, you know. Should eat so healthy. Eat like a vegan, you know. So you have a lot to learn and get to know about the Empress. So stay tuned. You know, we're on the journey right now. You know, heading to Empress Gym. I know the thing goes already, so guys, you're gonna see how keen I work up. Please don't laugh at me if I can't keep up. I'm begging you, because if you laugh, I will definitely know. If you laugh, and I'm talking to you. Yeah, you. Yes, I know you're laughing now, but please don't laugh at me. You know, when you see the Empress, I go on with that thing, and these days I struggle. Empress
yeah,
Niche.
man, big up Kino's subscriber them. Are they also the dream team or
extended families?
Extended families. Wow, you guys are wonderful.
Yes, man.
You know, wonderful boy. Me love you half already. The whole hour, big time.
They are so wonderful and so beautiful.
They're
so wonderful and so beautiful. That is massive dread song.
So encouraging.
Yeah, they are, man. Trust me, and trust me, you get a lot of encouragement. They can push you to continue. You know, from what they're saying. You know, I must say you might have a 1 and 2 negatives naysayers come, but you don't pay that no mind. You still love them from afar. You know?
Still love them. Hey, listen, we need the negative and the positive to balance. You know, so
yeah, that's how
we still love all of the negative the same way.
Yes.
You know, so no matter where you come with, I go still love you. So.
Alright.
You
so
know?
you see, she's a beginner. She's a pro.
Yeah.
She know what go on already. Because from she on the journey, I'm gonna tell her as an Empress. Watching, they're gonna say me and you together, you know. And she's like, I know, man, I understand, you know. Yeah, and she's strong. You know, she's strong. She's taking on the journey, guys. So she's ready for this, man. Trust me. So hopefully when I'm not here, she got that confidence to continue. Right?
Right.
That's what I think about the most. When I'm not here, I hope you got that confidence, you know. You feel motivated to get up and go create content, you know. You know you want to create it,
Right.
you know. Daily life, show them what you eat, what you do, what you dress, what, you know. But show them something, and they can tell you what to do. Alright guys, so stay tuned, you know, for the workout session. Empress Niche. Capiche. There you go. Fitness room. Ding 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 ding. Wow. Voila. Today I'm getting inch. Today I'm getting thicker than ever. Guys, look at this. Choices.
They're not the most up to date, but
It's not the most up to date.
they work, yeah.
Listen, this,
Not every machine up to date.
is not every machine up to date?
As long as they work, that's what matters.
Of course.
Yeah.
From them work, we have different weight bar over here. Yeah. We have the bench press. Yeah, we have the push-up bar. These are my favorite. This chest. I want to get my chest pump. I'm gonna get pump, bulk. You know what I mean? We must start growing. I'm gonna start workout here. So see, yeah, Empress is my teacher. I'm her student. You know the thing goes already. You know, so Empress gonna show me the motion, just like how she's welcome to YouTube. The Empress, let them know how I go. Tell them say you're not gonna kill me off.
I am, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
You know how I take people then.
You're gonna kill me off?
I'm sorry, okay, you know.
Guys, tell us enough to go back to Jamaica, the people them try to work now, man. You see me? When we go work like grandpa, peeing there and peeing everywhere. No, Empress, you have to take your time with me. Please. Right? Empress is ready. Empress come out in her gears. So Empress, what's that? You look serious, man. How are this?
What, this?
Yeah.
Well, this is for me. This is a resistance for my legs, to put over my legs when I'm doing squats. Yeah. I'm not gonna really wear it right now, but yeah.
Oh, Empress serious, man. Empress come with her squats, gears and everything.
Yeah.
So after you do squats and them thing, or after you do squats?
Me? Sometimes every day.
Every day?
Yes, like an addiction in a way.
And legs, or after you do legs?
Well, legs, squats. When I do squats, I'm working on my legs. And, you know, yeah, but...
Whereas to me, I like to do chest, you know, get the chest up.
Men like to work out their upper body, and
Yeah.
women like to work out their lower body. But
Yeah, that's true.
me, I have to train myself to even work out my upper body too, you know. I can't just be strong down here and weak up here, so... Same thing with men, and I have to work out in the lower body too.
Yeah, that's true. Men like to do the upper body thing,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
and female like to do the lower body part, you know.
Right.
So we're gonna mix it up. I do more upper body and less lower body for me. You can do anything you want to do. And I said, Empress, you have to make something work for me, please. Please, guys, please tell her to take her time with me. You're gonna work on for yourself, Empress.
What I'm gonna work on?
Yeah.
Well, I like to work on total body. You know what I mean? I like to do back workout. This machine is really good for your back here. And then I'm gonna use the dumbbells to do like RDL and squats and stuff like that.
Alright. So you normally what you start off with 20?
No, sir. Let me see. It's 20 kind
Too much. Wait,
No,
wait.
too light.
Too light. Wait there. Empress said the 20 is too light. And me I say, yo, it's probably too heavy for the Empress.
Yeah.
20 is too light. Cause the way you lift that. Damn. 20 is too light. So what we doing? Arms?
Eh?
What we doing?
No,
Arms?
I'm not doing arms yet.
Anything you start off with, you do your first rep and then me do mine after, right?
Okay.
So that's how we're gonna do it. You do your rep first, cause 3 sets you always, right? At each rep.
Yeah. So
yeah.
we'll just start off like 3 sets of 10.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So if you're gonna start off with 20, you probably have to start off with.
Let's start off with upper body. I'm gonna do the 15.
Alright then. 15?
Yeah.
Alright then, so.
You can do the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
You can use the 15. Like, we should have really stretch, first. It's good to stretch first.
So what you gonna do? Stretch first then, right? Mm-hmm. Well, go on then, let's stretch first then, right? Alright guys, because we can warm up first.
Warm up, let's
yeah.
do some warm up.
So we're gonna warm first. So we go warm. So I go on. By right, do have to warm first. Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Let's go.
1, 2, 3. 5. I know. 6. What? 6?
7.
What? No, Empress, that is 6. Come on. That's 6. I know, the upper body. Yeah.
No, we upper body.
I know. It's good on the legs, right?
Yes.
I know. So guys,
Start on the legs.
alright then, come. Go on then.
7.
How are you going to right now? What are you doing? Empress, come on. Come on, you got your fans rooting right now,
8. No.
No, you're at 6.
Kino, stop.
No, you're at 6, same way. Come on.
Start over the counting.
No, you have to do it correctly. Alright? So 6. Yeah.
Alright. You see how much now make me do undercover?
Alright then.
7.
Yeah. 8. Go on, Empress. 9. One more, Empress. Put it all in. Do it for the fans then. Do it for the fans. There's a let her off, because she's good at legs, but not the upper. She's actually good at the lower part. So it's my turn to do my last set. I done 2 in 1 just now. So let me do my last one. Then we'll move on. Alright. The big boy. The big boy from China. In gym, coach said, keep it over there, you got that.
3, 4, slow down, 5, 6, yeah, rush it for 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, good job.
Woo, I'm gonna sleep good tonight.
Hey!
Woo! Come on, we're doing 10.
Alright.
Keep your back straight, Empress. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Head on. 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. Me do my. I'm getting hot, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, truly up on the tall sleeve.
Yeah.
Oh, so. Sure, I got the tall sleeve on.
Yeah.
Starting to get in the groove.
Can't turn on the fan.
No fun.
Okay.
Probably gonna take off this tall sleeve.
Take it off. You have one all black, you know, black carry it.
Yeah.
Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. No, you can't feel right as well.
Muscles them.
No,
The tension.
you don't see?
Yeah. This guy is static. You have to stretch him
feel
now. Getting tight.
You don't feel it?
Yeah. But what you can do now,
Yeah.
like pull on this, like pull on the weights
And stretch it.
and stretch it out.
Okay.
So you have to pull on it so then it'll get seized up.
Okay. Like,
Yeah. Pull. And you stretch them out. My arms are gonna, you should do your back workout now. Alright, when you should do back, I'm gonna do chest.
you want to do chest?
Yeah, I'm gonna do chest.
Alright, so you can do chest at the same machine.
I'm gonna do chest. I'm gonna do chest. Alright, let me see. I'll get this.
Okay. Which way?
So
Okay.
to get it center, is it a one button there? You can press it twice.
Which one? The red or the black
The
one?
black one. You can press it twice and it will center. Just like tap tap quick.
Okay.
So once you press it twice, it will center. So I don't remember how much I used to lift, you know.
Well, test it out and see.
Test it out.
Eh. Too heavy. Eh?
Huh?
It's too heavy.
No?
Oh, you wonder what made the noise? It's maybe it's that thing that I put on there. The back, the little extra piece, you can take it off. Can. Okay. Oh, see the lollipop there? Okay. Something like it's too high, you know. It's too high.
I know.
Just make sure it's solid.
Well, I just come down better. Alright, this feel like me now. Yeah.
Okay. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Might as well just set them because
80. I'm lifting
80. Okay, I'm gonna lift 80.
But I'm gonna go more than that.
Okay.
You start off with 80.
Okay. So I show up.
So you have to do it. Let it go down, you know?
Okay. Okay. Mix it up.
Yeah. I think I used to go. I want 130. I used to go at this.
Okay.
So that 80 that come like or wash up. I am, you know. You know.
Got it 80 a light fear right now.
Yeah.
We have to slowly get back in the groove.
Yeah, but when you wash up, you still feel like it's a lot, but it's not.
Right, yeah.
You know, it's not.
But might as well you finish your sets them since you adjust the machine.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, you can't just work. You have to work out too. Not just work, but work out. You know.
Alright, so.
You're gonna lift the same weight, or are you gonna?
90.
Okay.
I want 90. I'll do 10 each. You know? Not sure if I'm 20. 10.
Alright. And then you're gonna go lower after that.
Yeah, come back down.
Okay.
I just feel like the bench one go. I don't feel like the bench one go.
You think you wanna go down some or up?
No, because the weight has stopped.
The weight has stopped?
Early.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Or maybe something going on over there, so.
The weight has stopped early, that's why you got click.
Yeah? Or maybe something not connect right.
She not trying to figure out. Guys, because it's been so long, I'm trying to figure out.
You must have the machine, an old machine, you know.
Yeah, you're not supposed to start coming so early. Okay? You're going to bang.
Right.
That means they're going to come all the way down.
Yeah, okay.
You know? So guys,
Go again, let me see what going on over there, so.
you know, you're stop early.
Oh, it stopped now?
You'll start now and look where it stop. Yeah? I should be, my chest should be up here. Like there, that's supposed to feel.
Or maybe the bench is too high, you think?
No, bench is not too high. The bench is not too high.
Oh, that is.
No, I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out. Still a step on. Still a step.
Still a stop.
Stopping too soon.
Something no connect properly.
Stopping too soon. Stopping too soon. You go flat.
2, 3, 4, 5. You feel it now? You're doing it the right way.
I'm starting now.
Okay. Yeah, feel the one there. Yeah. Okay.
I'm feeling that one there.
The one they connect.
Guys, it is 90. I'm lifting 90.
Okay.
So I'm feeling that.
The one they connect.
I want that same girl. Press it twice.
I did.
So you have to learn that as well too. And whenever you have video, that's how you press it twice in the center. You know, because sometimes if the lens don't come on and follow your motion, if you do it and it goes really quicker. Alright? Right now I'm feeling hungry.
We're gonna make some.
Yeah. So ready again.
1, breathe when you go up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Woo! Them things me done. Them things me done.
Hey.
Them don't know some just how come. Yes, it's, you know, I used to work out a lot, you know. Feel the tension, the statics in the palm. I just feel pump, you know.
Yeah, man, you just have to keep it up.
Your time to go back and press.
Okay, alright.
Back in it. How much that?
7, 8, 9.
10. So we have one more set on this.
Yeah.
One more.
It's in tight, see where?
One more set. No.
Oh, we're gonna change the weight.
Guys, I'm gonna go 100, right?
Oh, jeez. Don't blame me, you know, when you can't lift up your. Don't blame me when you can't lift up your suitcase. No blame.
I'm not gonna 10, but I'm gonna do something.
All me have to say.
It's been a while, I'll be 100.
No, call me name when you can't lift up
See
your
how much I
suitcase.
can go. 100. Ready?
Yeah. Let me just show them say 100. Wait, number there.
Okay.
They are 100 right here, so 100, okay. Alright, now go.
100.
Breathe. 2, breathe. 3, 4, breathe. Breathe. How much I did?
Okay, 5. 5.
Well,
done.
that's a start.
That's a blowout, you know?
Somebody are going to pain.
Oh, I'm good, man.
You better stretch out the hand there,
Good.
the arms there.
Guys, 100. I done 5 or 4. I'll see on the video count when I'm watching it, but it's been a while. I used to like literally go up to 130, you know? Let me show you how I've been rusty. You know, at least 5. So the more I do it, I can do more.
Alright,
So that's me and the chest for now.
Alright.
You know, so guys, stay tuned, you know, for Empress Niche. She will show you most of her workout and her videos. You know, this is just for me to just get a warm, you know, for you to get to know what Empress is like on a day like this, working out.
Right.
You know, Empress Niche. Alright, guys, so you know what I'm gonna do next? I'm gonna do some abs for myself.
You want to do abs? Okay.
Yeah. Pressed over there. the Empress.
So we have the arms.
Yeah, I use some abs.
You know what them a pre about?
Hey,
A keynote.
you sound just like the YouTube intro.
No, sir, so
At least you know, say I don't know machine.
I don't know machine.
I know machine voice.
so when they hear me like,
Me don't know what them a pre about. A keynote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a life, them not like that. Me a bun them out like newspaper.
Your voice loud for show, man. Put your on microphone on stage. Me sorry. The whole stadium can hear you. I true, you know.
I got a loud voice. That's the first time, you know, I'm getting music. My cousin.
You already sound like you're on microphone. That's the problem. I know have no microphone.
No, you see my cousin. He was an artist, but I'm also a producer. But we still go around him. And it's a one vibes with them, and it's like, you know. But him always say, yo, if you try music, you know. They say, no man, cause a football my thing.
Right.
But him say, you know why? You have a loud voice.
Lord.
You know?
You loud with you.
Yeah, you have a sound. You know? That's one of the first song I say, I'm going to live them by. But my voice goes, you know. And I said, when we are floss, in the scene of my class, girl, them love me, them know me, and it. That was my first song. Because we used to go party them time, you know. But now it's not a loud voice. The more that mic them on and let go.
Straight microphone voice, yeah.
I'm saying youth. Alright. If you know, youth. Born to move. You get me, my born to move, youth. That's it, man. Alright guys, so that's it for the day. Workout has done. Or no, the workout is done and me done. Empress is over here. Put in the work. You know what I mean? Empress has sweat, man. If me alone now sweat. Empress have a little sweat. Me now sweat, guys, so I done my best. So Empress Niche, you know, capiche. Alright then guys, you know what you think. That's it for now. I'm knackered. I am done. Superman is in the place. Well. Good morning. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Blessed love. Well. It's that morning. It is that morning. Guys, I am leaving the wonderful USA. Guys, I'm leaving. Yes, as you can see, suitcase pack. Everything is packed, you know. Oh, it was a wonderful time here. Trust me, I had a great experience while I was here. Trust me, you know. It's such a blessing. It's such a blessing. Blessings to all my extended family. Nikki Pink, big up yourself. Also, Nikki Pink, you know. And boy, it's so sad I have to go, you know. Kina, don't cry. I'm gonna miss my extended family. I'm gonna miss my extended family, boy. But yes, we know I'll be back, you know. Hopefully, summer. Yeah, let's see. So I got the winter, I got the autumn. I need to try the summer next, you know. All the backdoor, outdoor cooking, you know, the roast fish, steam fish, all the fish. Yes, I need to come and experience that. So, yes, guys. So, Arlov stepped out already because Arlov been busy, you know. So he's gonna make some running. So, Empress is gonna take me to the airport. You know, Mr. Empress is such a blessing. She's a plus, you know. But I'm waiting on her right now to come pick me up while I'm just here making this quick video before she get here. Trust me. Wow, Everlord, going home. Hey, my phone's ringing, so I guess this is her. She's gonna leave long. Empress. Yeah, that's the Empress, so she's literally on her way. But guys, look outside. I'm so sorry. Look outside, it's been snowing all night. It's been snowing all night last night. Look, some kids up there playing snow fight. But it's been snowing. So you see? Boy, I feel so sorry for my extended family. So sad that you have to be in this while I'm running left it. You know? I'm so sorry you have to be in this and I'm leaving it. Wow. Snow time right now, you know. So this is where people have to go work right now. A number of viewers and subscribers, my extended family probably say, boy, Kino, I wish I was going on that plane with you right now to Jamaica because I can't take this weather. You know, it's snow. We have to go working on the snow. All of this, you know, they need some sun. I know, I felt it. I felt it. So imagine me come out now, so I'm going to work, you know, in the snow, in this weather. I feel your pain, guys. I really feel your pain, you know. But I feel your pain, guys. I can see all of the snow, you know, the snow. Look, when the water run down, so it turn again ice. So imagine the water run down and turn ice. Just imagine how cold the place is, you know. So I'm going in the tropical to get some sun, you know. The melanin needs sun. The melanin needs sun, guys. So yes. Wait. So Empress says she's around the corner. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna get my suitcase out the house, you know, before the car pulls up. So I'm missing the snow. Snow. Ho 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 ho! All when Christmas done. Still getting the snow. Alright guys, alright. So, no? This guy, so as you can see, look in the back. Suitcase, you know. I'm loaded. I'm going back home. So the Empress here, you know, just picked me up, you know, ready for the journey. Alright, Empress, this journey is not yours though, but I saw it go. Journey is coming soon, right? It's too bad. Running, going green. Running, leave the snow, heading back into the sun. See where the sun is shining bright on the other side. And the temperature is much warmer. So yes guys, I'm really on time. Well, I'm not really half time, I'm on time, so I'm not running late. And it's holiday, so I don't think it's gonna be much traffic on the highway, right Empress?
Right, yeah. School today, so.
Yeah, so I don't have to worry about running into too much traffic, so I'm just getting on this journey right now. Right now. So let's go check in and get something to eat and go and waste some time because there's time to spare same way. Yes. So.
You never check in on your phone?
Yeah, I check in on my phone.
Oh, okay.
So.
But then you have to go there and print your boarding pass, right?
Yeah. The boarding pass. And then the suitcase. Supposed to
you're
third
checking
bag.
all of them? Or you bring some?
We do 2 already, so we'll be upon Esther, so Esther call me to do the third one. Yeah, okay. Esther. It do? Alright, thanks. So that's it. Alright then, thanks. Come here, I don't know. Alright. Okay. But I forgot print it same way.
You can use your phone.
So I'll print it. Alright then, thanks. Alright guys, so that's Esther, my assistant. So the third bag is being checked in, ready and well checked. So print my board pass and we're good to go. Esther, divine Esther. So look guys, snow. Ho. Boy, this is what the people that forget upon go working in. I know a lot of my viewers them say, Kina boy, I wish I was going on that plane with you right now. You know, I wish. Looking at this snow. You know, so I should have put some in our igloo. I'm bringing out Jamaica right now. Where's the Empress? Oh, park some and bring it down my knapsack.
Let's see how long it's gonna last.
Yeah, get some water cooler and put them in. And watch this boys. What a one. So last time the place was so white.
Whoa.
White out. Goodbye. New York. The big apple. The only apple can't spoil. I imagine me eat the apple this morning, it's spoiled, but not the apple yet. Yeah, I buy the apple and I see it dark.
Inside?
Yeah. So what is I buy the next side.
That's New York.
And it's dark.
Florida apple fruits, them and vegetable, them, they're so...
They're better, right?
Oh my god.
Yeah, because you know that's a Caribbean.
So fresh looking, like you will never see a messed up looking fruit or vegetable in one of the Florida supermarket. We never see it. I don't know if they have that, but in New York they literally will sell the mashed up fruits. Them will look brown.
Yeah, trust me. But you know Florida, them call it Floridian. Actually, it's within the Caribbean. So the Caribbean, that you know. Yeah, man. That's like the resort area of Jamaica. That's what Florida is like, the resort area. Yes guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to head to the airport, so you know the thing goes already. So I keep you in tune, heading home. I'm going to miss you guys. I'm going to miss the apple. But I'm coming back soon, summer. Yeah. Coming back for the summer flex. So guys, you know, prepare all the barbecue. We're not gonna prepare from now. You know, get all of the fish, they swim around. You know, because we do a lot of jerk and roast fish when I'm here in the summer. Right? Peer backdoor cooking, peer outdoor cooking. So yeah man, the summer we'll be kicking, playing some football in the park. Yeah. I'll go see what's it like over here in the summer. I've done
it's
the
gonna be a first summer though?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wow. Are you serious?
Yeah, I've done the autumn and I've done the winter, so now for the summer.
Okay.
Alright, so.
Yeah. So you might have to go enjoy summer. Summer nice.
It's nice. That's why I'm going to come in at the summer.
Feel longer than 3 weeks.
Is it longer than 3 weeks?
Yeah.
Is it that nice?
Yeah, it's gonna be nice, man. Enough things to do.
So I'm coming for 6 weeks then.
Way.
6 weeks. So that means I can go back down
It would be so cool.
Atlantic City.
It would be so cool to drive to Canada though.
No, drive to Canada.
Yeah, it's a nice scenic.
Okay, so the sun is out and the snow is even out as well. So sun and snow right now are back up on the road, as I can see. The sun, the snow, the sun. You know, so
the sun is so bright.
yeah. The sun I try and melt the snow and say, yeah, you can't melt me at all. Oh, cool. Bridge. Alright guys, so I'm fully checked in. I'm inside now, you know, I just had something to eat. So now I'm just waiting on my time to count down for when they're gonna start to board, you know, and then I'll be out of here, you know. So I just had a sandwich, you know, a vegetable sandwich, and that's what I just had, you know, with some orange and mango juice, and call it a day, you know. I know I should have actually added something more because of the time of this flight. No, it's a late flight, so you know, I should go get something more than this sandwich. What can I get? Probably go get an extra wrap, salad wrap or something, because it's a late flight. So the time I reach Jamaica is gonna be like after 12. That's in the morning. So it's a night flight, the graveyard shift. So yeah, I think I need to go get something else to eat. You know? Yes, guys, definitely I need to. I'm not thinking. I wasn't thinking. I just get sandwich alone. It's gonna be a late one. I can't eat too so late. So I'm gonna literally get something else, guys. Yeah, so I'll catch you back in a second, because yeah, need to get something else. Yeah. Alright, so stay. Alright, guys. I did have something to eat, and then time kind of run out, so you know it was boarding time, so I did have to come down to start board. So that time on. Yeah, so praying for a safe flight home. You know, it's gonna be late, so when I get home I'm gonna get tired. So you know, back where the journey continues. You know, it never stops. It continues. So that's what it is for me. So wish me on a safe flight. You know, so I hope you're watching this video now, know that yes, alright, safe. I'm safe. Home sweet home, you know, it's been a while. I miss my bed. So, you know, the thing goes already. Guys, just touched down and everything goes already, so. Whoa, Mr. Out here. Oh, down here something general. Go right down this. Este va pulling here, so.
No, said for them.
Oh.
See them for free. I don't want to put it.
How in it?
Put mommy and here.
Hello. You bring them out with you. Hello, sister. Esther bringing her out.
Yeah, they're not here.
Alright. Here then. Alright, in general, cool.
Yeah, that's man, that's fun, man. I always be a fan, brother.
Cool, man.
Always
Respect,
be a
man.
fan,
Sit there.
alright?
Sit there.
Greetings, man.
Greetings.
Keen on life.
Yeah.
I have bless up,
Bless up, man. So we're there back on the island, guys. So we give our blessings there. Esther, you have space in there? Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.